Hey guys, Coach Raymond here. I'm super excited for one of our newest members, Brenda. Coach Brenda just came in and she's at our $6,000 level. And so I'm super excited to have her as part of our business. And I just want to kind of take a moment to introduce Brenda. Brenda, why don't you start by kind of telling us a little bit about yourself, your background, what got you excited about our business after watching the video and presentation and webinar. And then number two, where do you see yourself in the future? What excites you about our company?
Well, I've actually done almost everything. I have a background in pharmacy and mainly management, and I've been a manager of dealerships. I've been a finance business manager, an insurance agent, a BDC for a dealership, just about anything, out there. I've owned my own business. I've owned several businesses, restaurants, and I owned an automobile leasing company for 10 years. So what excites me about the company and why I came in, and it took me a while, I had to look over it for a while, is that it was so simple, because owning businesses requires a lot of money, a lot of time. You basically work 16-hour days to get your business going, and it all depends on you. And what I see myself in this business is taking some of the lessons I learned along my life and all the businesses I've been in, and the management skills I have, and I love people. I've even been a missionary. So my goal is to help others and to help people, and to make a good income, a good retirement for my husband and myself. And I have a 3-year-old grandbaby. So we want to live the American dream. We've worked hard all of our lives, and I see this business making a large income very quickly and consistently and being persistent, and I'm excited about doing it.
Well, awesome, Brenda. We certainly see your excitement. We can definitely feel it. I did want to congratulate you for coming in at the $6,000 level. And many of you that are interested in our business, just remember that if you come in soon after watching the webinar, we'll be able to bump you up to the $12,000 level, which is exactly what we did for Brenda. And so she's able to make up to $12,000 now after being part of our business. And she's still in the learning process, but I'm very excited about what's to come for Brenda. So I just want to take a moment and tell you guys, if you're watching this, make sure you jump on one of our webinars and be a part of the movement. All right, take care, guys.